Alrighty, yeah. So I caught a lot of flack the other day about that video, guys. Let me tell you something about mechanics. Mechanics are gonna own whatever they know the most about. Okay, so a master mechanic, Dodge master mechanic, he's not gonna necessarily own like a damn Honda or Toyota or something. What is wrong with y'all? Like me, I'm a master Dodge mechanic, Mopar guy. Why should I own a Toyota or a Honda? You guys in the comment section be killing me. All right, so let's go over some of these cars right now. Let's do it. I did a little quick video asking wonder what technicians drive when they come to school. Well, let's start down here. I mean, traditionally, you're gonna see the typical Chrysler product. I mean, this is FCA training cars. You see this nice, pretty blue Charger, right? Oh, lime green. Okay, yeah. This is nice. 2500. Somebody drove a 20. These guys get to drive company cars at school. I gotta drive. Look at this fancy brand new Wagoneer. I gotta drive my old busted up ass minivan. You know that. I gotta drive my own car. Somebody drove. Damn, that's nice. Wonder who drove that one. Somebody drove. This is the one we saw last time. This guy's still in school. Okay, maybe he taking one of those long cars. Somebody drove an old ass. Whoa. 1500. I had to drive my old busted up ass minivan. So it's gonna end up being a long video, I guess. But anyway, guys, yes, I'm at the training center, man. Somebody drove a damn what is that? That's a 1500, but it's an older model. All right, let's go to the back row here. What do y'all see? All these students from different places coming to the training center. Somebody drove an old ass Toyota, a Chevrolet. I wonder who drove that. Honda? Is that what that H is? Okay. Jeep Cherokee. I recognize somebody from Tennessee. All right. Yeah, these guys come from all over this facility is on the East Coast. Okay. Yeah, somebody from different states also come out here. All right. This guy must live right up the street. Fluff Dog. What you think, man? What you think under that hood? That's a Nissan. It's hard to tell. Now who's the loser that's driving an F-150? All right, I can't talk to that guy. Check out this beauty right here. Oh, somebody wanted to get here quickly. All right, so they drove a their RT. What's that on the side? That badge, 392. Okay, it's a wide body package too. Woo, look at that wagon there, boy. That is pretty. Okay. What is this? A Jeep? It's one of the new Grand Cherokees. Okay. Yeah, these guys are not out here with problems. They just out here. This is what they drove to the training center. And then, of course, a nice, pretty. Look at that. Man, it says Hemi over there on the front. So this Durango has an RT 5.7 Hemi, looks like. And, of course, the typical minivan. What this guy down here drove is Ram 3500. Alrighty. Cummins diesel. Dually. Somebody decided to drive their damn dually truck to the training center. All right, so I'm done, guys. I didn't mean for this video to be that long. It's supposed to be a quick shorts video, but it's going a little bit overboard. What y'all think about this color right here? Look at this. Lime green. Would y'all rather that one or this one? What's under the hood? If I had to guess, because there's no badge on the side, I'm guessing 3.6 Pentastar. Yeah, don't sleep on the Pentastar, baby. Even this one, I'm thinking Pentastar. All right. Yeah. So this 2500. Is this this, ladies and gentlemen, turbo diesel? Okay, it's Cummins. Yeah, this got to be a Pentastar because that's not that badge thingy not on there. So, well, anyway, guys, I don't want to bore y'all with what people are driving, but I just highlight that. What are we doing? What am I doing here? Training on the 8 HP ZF transmission. Okay, that is the rear wheel drive transmission found in vehicles like this. Okay, in fact, all the rear wheel drive, all the newer cars, the rear wheel drive vehicles, this Wagoneer likely has a 8 HP transmission. All of this stuff, everything in this road right here, except for that Ford junky F-150. Everything right here will likely have that transmission in it, that ZF 8 HP transmission in it. Okay, yeah, that's the flagship rear-wheel drive transmission right now. Yeah, I guarantee you. Now Wrangler, I see a lot of Wranglers are stick. Okay, so this is a stick, you know, it's not an automatic, obviously, right? But yeah, I know this has got a 8 HP transmission in it, but front wheel drive. I don't see, that's the one I see that Cherokee over there has it's a front wheel drive, so it's likely have the ZF 9-speed transmission in it. All right, front wheel drive. And we're going over that one tomorrow. So I would technically, after tomorrow, be totally familiar with everything FCA used from a transmission standpoint. Those two transmission covers just about, I don't want to say 80 to 90%, except for old vehicles like this. This thing, he done modified the hell out of this. This got to be a crazy student right here. Got the lift kit on it, and I guarantee you this is their 4-liter, man. Inline 6. I bet you this a freaking, this you, man? Yeah, what you do to this thing? You know how to lift it up and everything. 4-liter?
I put a jail lift on it.
Oh, for real?
Jail regular lift. Yeah, it's got the 4-liter decent.
Yeah, the long, yeah, straight 6. Damn, well, I ain't worked on one of those in a long time.
Yeah, man, this thing, you can't wreck it, man. I put a head gasket on it, some other little stuff.
With that long ass head, you.
Yeah. I would put like 20,000 miles on it now.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I've been driving the hell out of this thing.
That's what's
Box
up.
from North Carolina back home.
Oh, you moved down here? Okay, you over there with Chaz them, ain't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he used to work with us. Yeah. Small world. That's what's up. I ran across the owner. Imagine that. Yeah, so he said y'all heard that, he got some kind of lift kit on it. So he obviously in love with his vehicle. Alright. My little mobile is just that. Guys, that is a work van. I get criticized a lot. I can't believe you're a mechanic riding around in a minivan. Let me tell you something about this van. A minivan, typical minivan, what, 7 passenger should be able to get inside of a minivan. In that van, that particular JT Mobile, guess how many people can get in there? 1. I got so much stuff, so much junk in the far back, in the back, and even in the passenger seat. Can't nobody get in the passenger seat. That is now a 1-passenger van. And that 1 passenger, ladies and gentlemen, would be me. Yes, just me. Okay. I'm cool with that. All right. Don't never run up to my car to run me to the stove, JT. Yeah, you can't get in there. I got training books all in it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, what is this? Toyota? Oh my goodness, I can't believe a Dodge Tech driving around in a damn Toyota. The nerve of this guy. All right, I'm gonna let him slide. All right, cause hey, this is a hybrid too. Y'all see that? See, this is company car, right? It's not his personal car. You can tell they still got the stickers on there. Yeah, he told his boss, "Yeah, I got school tomorrow. Give me something to drive." He's like, "Yeah, take this damn Toyota hybrid." They probably haven't added gas in I don't know how long, but oh, it's from Alabama. Okay, so they came from Alabama. So yeah, when you got a 2-day course and you from out of town, you likely got a hotel room. So they probably staying at the hotel up the street. But I bet this thing this is a hybrid Prius, all-wheel drive, hybrid XLE Toyota. Let me see, can I go find the owner of this to find out how well this drive. Well, anyway, guys, I'm out of time, so I've done enough talking. So let me get up out of here. Y'all take it easy, man. I'm gonna go back in class. We was on break, so that's the way we doing it. All right, I'm out of here, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in to these damn videos. Thanks for watching.